First, to unfold it, press the button here. Slightly, it unfolds automatically. To fold it, press the button slightly to unlock it and pull it up to the top until the button pops out. And collect the legs and put your palm at the end of the seat and press it to the pole until you hear the click. Let's do it again. Press the button. To fold it, because here is a slot, so press the button again to unlock it and pull it to the top until the button pops out. Collect the legs, and here is a hook and the slot is here. So press the end of the seat, press until you hear the click. Press it together. Okay, it locks. It's so easy. Thank you.